This is the Andean condor, the largest flying bird on Earth. With a wingspan stretching over 10 feet, it glides across the Andes Mountains like a shadow. It rarely flaps its wings. Instead, it rides the fierce mountain winds for hours, conserving energy as it surveys the land below. High above the clouds, at altitudes of 21,000 feet, where most birds can't even breathe, the condor soars effortlessly. Condors are loyal for life, forming pairs that can last more than 70 years. Condors build their nests on high mountain cliffs, sometimes over 16,000 feet above sea level, to stay safe from predators. They usually lay only one egg every 2 years. Their eyesight is so sharp that they can spot a carcass from miles away while gliding thousands of feet above. Condors depend on warm air currents called thermals to stay aloft. They can soar over 100 miles in a single flight without flapping once. In ancient times, people believed the Andean condor was the messenger between the earth and the heavens, a symbol of power, life, and eternal freedom.